I'm Stephanie, and this is Travis. Together we bought a Hunter 42 Passage that we call Jibsea. We sold almost everything that we owned and moved aboard. After living on Jibsea through a Toronto winter, we decided that we had to get down south. Though we've got very little sailing experience, we decided to leave it all behind in our home country Canada to live out our dream in sailing the world. We're so pumped to share this adventure of a lifetime. We have a couple of friends that we haven't seen since Saba on a couple of boats, and they're in the marina close by. So we're gonna meet up with them. We're going to take a taxi over to the open air market and check out the fort. So yeah. It rains so much here, we have to do this every morning practically.
No, we gotta go around the corner. Going under. Yeah. I love going through there.
Cute colors.
I'll be there when we leave, right?
Stuff from that guy.
Hopped in a taxi. Ooh, air conditioning.
I just give you a deal. That's a deal, right? That's
Right.
only fun.
Yeah, appreciate it.
If the other guys know I do that, it's problems.
We're gonna take a taxi to the fort first and then make our way down to the market. So in case you want to pick anything up, we're not lugging it around. I think we're stuck. Are we stuck?
We're slipping.
Yeah, it's a tight corner. That's your corner. Yeah.
Hey,
Woohoo! You get a great view of St. George, which is the capital of Grenada, and St. George Bay from up here. There's usually a small admission fee to enter the fort throughout the week, but as it was the weekend, a local tour guide approached us, giving us a tour around the fort and sharing some history with us.
So this is local point where they keep all the guns, like AK-47, and the gun is bought from Cuba. So that way they store all ammunition for the soldier of Grenada. Because Grenada used to have 3 armies, one called a PRA, militia, and a mongoose gang. So this was the top where our former Prime Minister Murray Bishop was shot and never find the body. It was all the own guys they traded. And then after Reagan said they took 1980 to the rescue. So we say thank God for Ronald Reagan. So we go to the main top where you see all the cannons and bullet holes. So keep your head low down, bend down your head.
Oh, here we go.
Call one at the back and bend your head.
Yeah, Travis, you really got to bend over.
I live on a boat. I'm used to the ducking
You're used to the
down.
boat?
Oh yeah, that breeze is lovely.
Each other the country. Where the police used to stay. It used to be also the police home. The bottom is males and top is females. But all Hurricane Ivan, they shot 2004.
Check it out.
Almost 15 to 16 years ago. You go to the bottom where the parents was out on house arrest. Prime Minister Murray Bishop.
So this is where they kept the Prime Minister under house arrest, and they also kept slaves down here? Is that what he said?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here's a small door you gotta duck under, Travis.
I thought I could have walked through.
Try it. Trev?
We found our. Yeah, do that hair up. Don't want to get it in your face. Nice clean rep. Let's see it.
It's really heavy. Oh my god. Wow.
It is freaking heavy. Come on.
How the hell did you carry that? Gym equipment everywhere.
There's gym equipment everywhere around here. Pull-up bar, Olympic bars, ellipticals.
I don't think that'll hold you up though.
I wouldn't want to try it.
This is the way to the market? The St. George Market is open daily except on Sundays. It's the busiest on Saturdays and you can find all sorts of produce here. And there's certainly an abundance of spices at the spice market. Grenada is known as the spice aisle. Spices such as nutmeg, mace, cinnamon, clove, and many more are produced here. It's one of the world's largest producers of nutmeg.
What you get?
Pineapple essence.
Oh, it's okay. No bag. Thank you.
That's okay. Unfortunately, Hurricane Ivan back in 2004 severely damaged many of the nutmeg trees that were over 100 years old. You can imagine that it took a while for the agriculture industry to recover from this devastation. Today, spice production, especially nutmeg, is still a major export, but just not at the level it used to be.
Everything inside the box is sealed. And you see all the bottles are sealed.
A Grenada apple,
Grenada apple.
or a mommy apple, they said.
It smells really good. It smells better than it looks.
It's supposed to be like an apple, tastes like a pear, but we gotta wait till Monday for it to ripen up.
Yeah.
We're on our way to find this restaurant, and the girl offered to walk us over there. Because she was trying to give us directions, but we were kind of like,
Looking like a bunch of young tourists.
yeah, so she's guiding all of us over to this local restaurant. Grenada is also known for its cocoa. Grenada has one of the strongest, richest cocoas in the world. The super rich volcanic soil and the hot sun make it ideal for growing.
Oh, that is real.
Pure cocoa, right?
Ah. Do you have
Let's
some
see.
toilet paper? You got shit on my hands.
Or there's ice cream.
Yeah. Should I tell her it's ready? Keep eating.
I won't have it, Travis.
You want to have it? You're just glistening a little bit, but it's good, eh?
Mm-hmm. We picked up some pretty good produce from downtown Grenada at the air market and off of a lady on the street. The mangoes, she was calling me over to buy these, and I thought they were little limes at first, but we had already picked these ones up. But I went back to her and I went to go get mangoes, and she was like, give her a bag of these. She'll be hooked. So we're gonna try them. They're called Chin Up, also known as Skin Up. And she said that you just peel the skin off and then you suck on the pulp and there's a seed in it. So look at that. It's like kind of like a peachy color.
So bloody hot.
Look at it. Mmm.
This is how hot it is here.
Mmm. It's like creamy, and I feel like my tongue's tingling a little bit. Like it's a little acidic, acidic. A little creamy, a little acidic, and it kind of tastes like a lychee. After having a few more of them, I'd say they taste more like a grape than a lychee. Mmm. Oh my gosh, she's right. She gave me these as a sample. I'm gonna be hooked looking for these. I'm gonna go back to her and be like, I need more. So good. And then we got one of these. Yeah, the man said it was a grade apple, but he said wait till Monday until it's really soft and it's supposed to taste like it's supposed to be like an apple but tastes like a pear. Other people have told us, so we'll see how that goes in a few days. Oh, interesting. And then we got some local lettuce. We normally get romaine. Ew.
Well, yeah, it's gotta get. Ew, it's dripping.
Oh, okay. We'll deal with that after. Yeah, finally found a tomato because it's hard to get some tomatoes that were big here. They're hard to find, but found one. Yeah. We're going to join our friends over at the marina. They've invited us to hang out at the pool with them. So we're definitely taking them up on that, and we're gonna head on over and spend the rest of the afternoon over there cooling off. Pizza time.
Pizza.
We're gonna head back over. We just got back from the pool in the marina, and we just came back to the boat to dry off, get changed, and we're gonna head back over there to treat ourselves to some pizza for dinner.
Pizza.
You're so burnt from today, walking around. Sans sunscreen. I'm getting hungry. That looks so good. Spicy tuna roll.
Hey,
Hey,
what you doing?
I'm on Skillshare.
Skillshare?
Yeah, they sponsored this video.
Really? What's Skillshare?
It's an online learning community for creators. Come check it out. You can explore new skills, deepen existing passions, and with thousands of inspiring classes being offered, you can get lost in creativity. What's nice is that Skillshare is geared specifically for learning, so there are no ads and you can stay focused. They're also always launching new premium classes, allowing you to follow wherever your creativity takes you. Yeah, they offer classes in tons of stuff. There's fine art, crafts, creative writing, looks like there's video, photography, productivity, marketing, and lots more.
Sweet. Are you taking any?
Yeah, so the class that I'm currently taking is Dale McManus's iPhone photography. How to take pro photos on your iPhone. So you know how I'm always trying to take really nice pictures of all the places that we're going just on my iPhone because I don't have like a big camera like you?
Yeah.
If I'm taking a picture of you and I want to make sure I'm also capturing scenic places that we're going, I'm able to capture the background as a secondary subject. So I can make our Instagram all pretty.
Nice. So he's just kind of helping you out with little tips and tricks?
Yeah, I really liked it so far. Good tips for just taking photos on my iPhone.
Perfect. Sweet.
Yeah.
Well, that sounds pretty cool. How do I join?
Well, lucky for you, there's a limited time offer right now. So from now until September, Skillshare is offering the first 1,000 of our subscribers who click the link in the description box below a 1-month free trial to Skillshare, so you can start exploring your creativity today.
That sounds pretty cool.
Yeah, check it out.
Gonna.